Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to change the orientation of the text, along with that how to increase or decrease the indentation. Let us start without wasting the time. First select the cell whose orientation you want to change, then go to the alignment group under the home tab. Then click on this drop down orientation. A drop down will open. Then here first is angle counterclockwise. Select on it, orientation changed. Then clockwise changed. Next is vertical text. Then rotate text up, rotate text down. And one more is there, format cell. In that you can arrange the orientation as per your requirement. So next topic was the indentation. See, now text is on this left side. Now increase the indentation. So text indentation is increased. Then you can decrease it, the indentation. I hope you would have liked this video. If liked, please share with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.